Where's the ocean?
Come on. This is swimming with Daddy.
Swimming with Daddy, that's right. Now, is that a picture of swimming with Daddy?
Smile.
Smile.
Smile. Cheese.
Cheese. Eloise, what's this?
Ocean.
The ocean.
Oh, Daddy.
And Daddy? Is Mommy in there swimming?
Mommy is like the quacky. Okay.
Hey, can you draw Mommy?
Oh, try, Mommy.
Can you color Mommy?
Try, try.
Which color are you going to pick?
Please, red. Ring. Where'd it go? Ring. Red?
This one? You want the red? You want that one?
Oh, that one. Red.
The red. Okay. So what are we going to draw?
My mommy gets from Mommy.
Okay, you're going to draw Mommy.
Mommy!
Wow.
Mommy. What's a good Mommy? Truck.
A truck? No, where's Daddy? Did you draw Daddy?
Truck. Purple.
All right, Daddy in purple. That works.
Red.
And red?
Let's see the American the ocean. Truck.
Tracks? Are you drawing road tracks?
What truck? Come on, we can do a truck. First, gonna do the truck. Come on, make a truck. Yeah, see the truck.
Whoa.
Truck.
Okay.
Who's first? Okay.